Okay, today we're going to work on a problem called the quadratic formula that is in the HiSET FTP7 test. It's probably one of the hardest ones on the test, and that's why I'm doing the video. I'm not great at video, so you just need to bear with me, and I'll probably make some mistakes. The quadratic formula is right there. There are two formulas here to show you. The first one is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and a cannot equal 0. Or you can also say minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Your problem is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0 from the test. Now, the key thing is to remember there's in front of each variable is a coefficient, and that you just need to memorize that a equals 3, b equals -2, and c equals 4. Okay? Now then you plug those things into that formula. So here you've got negative b, so it's -2, right there, and then you keep going forward. So it will be a square plus or minus the square root of parentheses -2 squared minus 4, and then the 3 and the 4 are the a and the c, divided by 2a, which is going to be a is going to be 3. Now we start chugging away. Okay, 4 minus 48. That's 12 times 4, and then you don't forget your sign, is 48. Okay, 4 minus 48, square root, and then you have your 2 and your 6. You don't want to forget those. You come down, and that is going to be a -44. 4 minus 48 is -48. Don't forget the sign. And the square root of -44, 2 over 6 right there. Now here we can't take a square root of -44. Remember, square root is something like 3 squared equals 9, or the square root of 9 equals 3. And I can't really write that and do this video at the same time, but what that means is that we kind of just take 4 times 11, but we don't forget the sign, which that's that -1. And from the notes that I've given to you, or the videos I showed to you, and in my assignment I explained to you that -1 is also the equivalent of imaginary I. You're going to have to watch the video that I put in the assignment to understand that somewhat, and look at the notes in the assignment that is on my website, jonesmcarthagetigers.webley.com. Okay, now the square root of 4 is 2. That's really 2 times 2. Remember, is 2 squared, or the square root, which is going back the other way, the square root of 4 is 2. That's a perfect square. Okay, so we bring out the 2 there, and that'll be, we leave the -11, we're bringing out the -1 as the I, and then we can also just reduce it like a fraction, which 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then 2i will become 1i. We leave the square root of 11 because that's not a perfect square. You can't divide that down anymore. You could, it would be a number, but we leave it as square root 11. And then you've got 6 divided by 2, which is 3, which this is -b. Now, remember in the test, the practice test, when you're looking at that, it will show you the answers to this. This is just a little bit longer and a little bit of an explanation with it. So I hope this helps. Okay, thank you.